Hi, I'm Ashley with NewVisionExcel.com, and today I'm going to teach you how to remove blackheads naturally using just 2 simple ingredients. So when it comes to having naturally beautiful skin, there's a few things that you can do that are really going to be helpful. One we're going to talk about in this video, but if you want other really helpful tips, check out the video that Dr. Zyrowski did on how to stop acne naturally. So to remove your blackheads, you're going to need just 2 ingredients. You're going to need toothpaste and baking soda, both of which you probably have at home. So you're just going to mix equal parts of both in a little bowl here. I'm using about this much toothpaste. So I'm just kind of whisking the ingredients together here. You can use a spoon, whatever. Now if the paste is really thick, it obviously depends on what kind of toothpaste you're using, you can add a few drops of water to this, okay? Okay, here's my paste. So depending on where you have your blackheads, you'll want to put a nice hot compress on that area in order to really help open your pores before you put the paste on. So I'm going to be applying this to my nose today, so I'm going to put a hot face cloth right on my nose, okay? So here I have my hot washcloth. I just ran it under hot water, and I'm going to apply that to my nose for about a minute, allowing my pores to really open up. Okay, so now that that is all set, what we're going to do is we're going to apply the toothpaste and baking soda mixture directly onto our blackhead area. Okay, so I just have a toothbrush here and I'm going to be scrubbing my nose for about 3 to 5 minutes, okay? So I'm just saturating my toothbrush with the toothpaste mixture. And I'm just going to start applying it on my nose. Now one thing to keep in mind is you don't want to use a toothpaste that's super strong peppermint flavor, only because it will make your eyes water. Even though it's not on your eyes, it could really make your eyes water. And since this is going to be by your eyes for about 3 to 5 minutes, you really don't want to be crying the whole time. I'm just kind of scrubbing my nose. Nice and gently. Okay, and so after it's been about 3 to 5 minutes, you can just rinse that off using your warm washcloth, okay? Okay, so you can see that my nose is a little bit red, but I did just get done scrubbing it for a while. But my nose is super soft and my pores are definitely cleaner. Just rinse your face with nice cool water and help close those pores back up so no impurities get in, okay? Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe by hitting the little icon below, and if you're interested in other natural beauty tips, you can watch the videos next to me here. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye!